Hello again. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate Iges Toolbox's ability to transform data from one position to another. In the mold and die business, it's sometimes called car position to die draw. I'll also throw in a few other things along the way. So right off the bat, I'm going to use the level and color commands to set an active level and active color. Now moving over to the draw menu, I'm going to select the draw lines command. This little beauty puts a grid of body lines around the part in the working units of the geometry. In this case, we're working in millimeters. These lines are created on the level with the color that I selected earlier to be active. So by interrogating this part a little more, I can see that I'll actually need to tip it around the y-axis to get it into die draw. I'm now going to cut a section through the geometry using 2 points on a grid line. This will allow me to measure the angle of the rib using 2 lines to get my degree of tip required. Okay, now let's head over to the transform command in the edit menu and get this part into die draw. The first thing I'll do is establish a point of rotation. I got these numbers manually when I added the grid lines earlier. Now I'll enter my rotations about the X, Y, and Z axes. This is a plastic part, so I'll add the shrinkage factor. While I'm at it, I'll convert the part from millimeters to inches. And finally, I'm going to move the part to the tool position of X0, Y0, and Z0. A really nice thing about this command is that I can save all of those operations to a file. Now I'll quickly close this file out and open up a new modified file of the same part. Now all I'm going to do is access that save tip file, execute it on my new data, and save my new data. And here's my new data in die draw. And we'll quickly save that off as a new Iges file. And I want to thank you for watching.